going on, guys. We have the clutch basket on. This is torqued down to 130 Newton meters. This goes in next, and then you're just going to go friction plate, metal plate, friction plate, metal plate, all the way through. But we got to line these all up at the top. But also, there's a couple of little things I'm going to show you that you have to make sure you do as well. So we'll just start right now. First thing down is a friction plate. After that is going to go a metal plate. You'll notice on the metal plates there's a rounded edge on these splines, and then there's a sharp edge. You want the sharp edge down because the clutch opens up out like this, and you want the smoothest possible friction resistance for the clutch to be able to open up. No reference point on this. They just go down. Now, after you get that first friction plate, first metal plate, you have these two little rings right here. One is completely flat. That's the one that goes down first. So that goes right in here, all the way down. And then you have one that has a convex to it. See that? A little bit of curve in it. You want to think about it like a cereal bowl. So right now the way it's flexed is up, like you can eat cereal out of it, you know? So you want the cereal bowl facing you. That goes in. After that, then it's just the same old thing over and over. Now we got our groove right up here on top. Line that up. Then we got our metal plate, sharp side facing down. And we're just going to repeat that process until we stack this thing all the way up. And then there's a little thing you got to do right at the end that's different. I'll show you when we get there. Soak all your plates ahead of time. These have been sitting in oil for a while now. Some people let them sit all night. I don't think it's necessary to let them sit all night, but some people say 24 hours or whatever. Moving right along. It's kind of funny to line up sometimes. Are the same. I know some bikes, they have different plates that are different thicknesses and they have to go on first or whatever, but this bike doesn't have that. Alright, so now we're getting down to it. Just 2 more plates left. Here we go. Now, like I said, all of these are lined up with the notches facing straight up here in this groove. Put our last metal plate on, and then you'll notice the last one, when you think it would go like that, it doesn't. You just turn it and put it in this next notch over, just like that. Once you got that done, strip the oil on my laptop. Once you got that done, as long as this is clean, got a little white, but I think all this stuff was pretty clean earlier, but it's sitting around. Bearing's good, everything's good. This is going to go right on there, just like that. As soon as I can get it. on fine now, like that. There we go. Alright, so it's all flush. The last plate turned. All we got to do now, put all our springs in, put all our bolts in. Sorry about that little delay there. Trying to figure out what the issue was. And then for these clutch spring bolts, it's 11 Newton meters or 97 inch-pounds. You're just going to go around, put them all in, and just kind of torque them down slowly until they get towards the end. And then once they bottom out, you'll know, and then that's when you put the 11 Newton meters on it. Alright, have a good day, guys.